Cake by Brian Moore and Mike Gordon. When did you last tuck into a cream cake? Or maybe you prefer sinking your teeth into a slice of sponge. Perhaps you'd rather nibble a piece of fruit cake or feast your eyes on a chocolate surprise. To make a cake, you need some flour, margarine or butter, sugar and eggs. Many types of cake can be made by adding other ingredients. The ingredients are mixed together and rise when the cake is baked in an oven. Currants, raisins, and sultanas are often used to make rich fruit cakes. These dried fruits come from countries such as Africa and the West Indies. They were first brought back to Britain by sailors and explorers almost 500 years ago. Long ago, cakes were only cooked and eaten on special occasions. They used to be sweetened with honey